In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a meeting in Google Meet. Whether you're cleaning up your schedule or perhaps need to make changes to a planned meeting, deleting a meeting from Google Meet is straightforward. Yet it's crucial to know how to do it correctly. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Calendar. This is because Google Meet meetings are tied to Google Calendar events. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Google Calendar website. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your Google account credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll see your calendar with all your scheduled events laid out in front of you. Next, identify the specific event that you want to delete. This could be a recurring meeting or a one-time event. Click on that event, and it will open up more details about the meeting. You'll find options like the event title, time, description, and guest list. This step allows you to review all the details and confirm that this is indeed the meeting you want to delete. Once you're sure you're looking at the correct event, find the Delete button within the event details. Typically, it's located towards the top of these details or under the Options tab, depending on the layout of your calendar. Clicking Delete is your way of confirming that you want to remove this meeting from your schedule. By doing this, you're telling Google Calendar that this event no longer needs to take place. After clicking Delete, you will have the opportunity to type a reason for cancellation. While this step is optional, it's a good practice to provide a brief explanation for your attendees. This helps maintain professional courtesy and clear communication. You might type something simple like, "Meeting canceled due to scheduling conflicts," or provide a more specific reason if appropriate. It's essential to keep it concise and clear. Finally, to complete the process, hit the Send button. This will send a notification to all attendees, informing them that the meeting has been canceled and providing them with the reason you included. It's important to ensure this notification is sent, especially for meetings with multiple participants, as it ensures everyone is on the same page regarding the change. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a meeting in Google Meet using Google Calendar. With just these few steps, you can easily manage your events and ensure your calendar reflects your actual schedule. It's a powerful tool for staying organized and efficient, and knowing how to delete meetings helps keep your planning process smooth. Thanks for joining, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you.